So, here sa sleep problems, ang patient natin merong insomnia. Kung observe natin yung tower diagram, excess po yung yang. So, heart yang excess, this one is acute. Ang second po is deficient yung yin, pero still excess yung yang. So, we have heart fire and dry heat. Meron siyang subacute or recurrent. Ang third tower diagram, deficient po yung yin, normal yung yang. So the patient is heart, blood, and yin deficiency. This one is chronic. Ang fourth tower diagram, deficient po yung blood, ganun din po yung qi. So there is blood and qi deficiency. Ang condition is chronic. Yung next tower diagram, deficient ang yin, excess po yung yang, so empty heat with yin deficiency. Ang condition is meron siyang dream, disturbed sleep, and nightmares. Ang last tower diagram, deficient ang yin, normal yung yang, so there is a kidney yin deficiency. Ang condition is problems with falling asleep. Sabi niya, my body is tired but my mind is busy. So next tower diagram, deficient ang yin, normal yung yang. So there is a heart yin deficiency. The condition is problem sleeping with through the night. Deficiency time of organ according to organ clock, tonify the yin of organ. Waking up at night at a particular time and not able to fall asleep for 2 to 3 hours. Next tower diagram, equal po yung deficiency ng blood and qi. So there is a heart, blood, and function qi deficiency. So meron siyang early waking with worries or anxiety. Next tower diagram, excess po yung yin, deficient yung qi. So there is a heart qi deficiency, yin rises after excess sleep. So meron siyang hypersomnia, feels sleepy all the time, low alertness, not better after sleep. Sa last tower diagram, there is a yin deficiency, normal yung yang. So the patient is heart yin deficiency, meron siyang needs much sleep to feel energetic and awake. Sa treatment for insomnia, we use tranquilizing points like Do20 extra 6, good night points, yung 1, PC6, UB62, add the following points to the above. Sa heart yin deficiency, meron siyang, gamitin natin yung REN14, move front point. Also, heart 8, the house element point. Pag ang patient merong heart fire, we use heart 5, the loop point, and sedation of small intestine 4, the Yuan source point. Pag ang patient merong heart, blood, and qi deficiency, we use REN14, UB15, the Shu point. Heart 9, small intestine 3, UB17, the influential point ng blood. Spleen 10, the sea of blood. GB39, influential point sa marrow. Pag ang patient merong kidney yin deficiency, we use kidney 7, the tonification point. And pag meron naman heart yin or blood stagnation, we use UB15, the Bakshu point, SI7, the loop point, and kidney 6, wake point for hypersomnia. All the above problems are primarily of the upper warmer, but it is also possible to have rising yang from liver, stomach, or kidney to the upper warmer, producing similar symptoms as heart yang excess. In these cases, spleen 6 with descending needle technique would be a good treatment in order to descend the ascending heat from other organs.